in this section we will be looking forward towards a bar chart, column chart, where the data of the total will be sale of two data or two different datas or two different columns will be within one column. Say for example, we can have the data of salesperson, and we can have our salesperson as Ram, Shyam, Sita, Geeta, Rohan, and Pawan. And they have sold they have been selling two products. So they have been selling pencils and they have been selling pens. So let's have some data. So we'll be using the function of random array. So we have got 6 columns and we have got 2 rows, pencil and pens. Okay, let's have the data between 20 to say 40, and we will be having integers only. And let's copy paste this data and paste as values. Then we have the column of total. Total is simple, the pencil plus the sale of the pen. Now what we are trying to do is to that we will be having a one column for this. So let me explain you what we are looking forward for. So we have got one column here that is for total. Now this is for total. Okay. And we are looking forward for showing the two data related to your sale of pen and sale of pencil in between the total. Okay. So for each of the salesperson, we will be having one column, and the sale of the pencil and the pen will be within this column. So seems to be exciting one. So let's make it happen. So we need a supporting column for that. So let's call it a supporting column, and all we need is to put a value of 0 here. Now we will select all the data we have and go to insert, go to column and just select the column. Now what is happening here, this gray line is the total of the sale of the pencil as well as sale of the pen. Okay, for each of the your salesperson. Now we have to go there and change the chart type, go to combo, okay, and change the lower part, that is total and supporting as line chart, and rest will be as column chart. Now all done, but what we were looking forward for a column that will be covering the two part, okay, that is pen and pencil, but we have got the line chart. So what we can do is to select the line chart, and in the option, okay, there is up and down bars, okay, and select the up and down bars and then double click on this. It will open up the window that we will be editing, okay. And for the marker chart, let's have no line, okay. Don't delete it because this column is coming from that particular line chart only. Okay. So now just let's go to the fill. Okay, no border we do not require. Okay, and that will go for the gradient fill. And then we can go for the series total, and gap within will make it as 30. So what is happening is that the size of this column has been increased. Okay, and we can also put a, a little bit of border, a solid line, and make it a little like this so that it will be displayed properly. Okay. And then we do not need to display the total. So this is the way, and then we need the chart, the labels on the top. Click on the center part, because the center part is basically your line that is connecting. Okay. And then go to add your data label and select for data callout. If you double click on this, then change the position, make it a little above so that it does not overlap the. So you have got the RAM. Now this is the sale of your pencil. Okay. Sale of the pencil and sale of the pen of by giving in two different color. Okay, and this is the total sale. Okay, so the totals, total this particular sale is of pencil and pen is going with in the cell of total sale of RAM. Okay, so you can hide this. Just resize it, don't hide it, because once it is hidden it will change the thing. So this is the way. It's quite easy for you to display anything, and then it's quite easy or good visualization that can be done.